I got my work done early. I'm going on a date.
Aw, how romantic. You must be excited.
I don't really care. I've become numb to them. Just something to do.
Guys, I just slayed the dragon. We're saved. We're fucking saved.
Really?
No, not really. I was just joking. You guys actually have a job to,
Are you okay, Mr. Boss?
yeah, I'm good. You guys actually have a job to help Charlie's uncle smile.
Oh, cool. Maybe we finally get to meet my uncle.
Oh, wow, I've always wanted to meet him after all your stories about him.
By the way, Mr. Boss, you don't have to do a funny gag every single time you give us a job.
No, I know.